Has it ever happened to you that you are scrolling through Reels or browsing the internet and an ad keeps popping up again and again? One video keeps appearing repeatedly. You ignore it once, you ignore it twice, but it shows up every day. Eventually, you feel like watching it, wondering what is so special about it that it's going viral. Ads work on the same principle. You see the same soap ad every day for 1, 2, or several days while watching a cricket match or a TV show. Why do these companies spend so much money? You might resist buying it at first, but without realizing it, you become biased. The next time you go to buy soap and have two options, one you have never heard of and one you recently saw advertised, which one will you choose? You'll pick the one you saw in the ad because an implicit bias has been created. An emotional connection, an identity, and a familiarity have developed. We call this the mere exposure effect. This effect states that we prefer things shown to us repeatedly. This is why you hear a song in a viral meme again and again, and you start humming it without realizing it. This is why you start speaking the language of the memes you see repeatedly without realizing it. This is why when you talk to a person who speaks in a particular tone, you start talking the same way. Now, this is knowledge, but by using this, we are going to learn how to impress a girl and make her your girlfriend. First, you need to understand the concept of increased presence. As the name suggests, be visible to the girl as much as possible. Bring your presence to her repeatedly, whether online or offline. Observe her and go to the same places she frequents. For example, if there is a girl in college who attends math tutoring, you also join the same tutoring. Even if you are good at math, your goal is to be around her. She might like going to a coffee shop. You start going to the same coffee shop. She might have recently joined a guitar or dance class. You join the same class, whether you are interested or not. If she attends an online session, you also attend it. By doing this, you appear everywhere she goes, creating familiarity. Let's understand this better with subtle interactions. Engage in communication without making it obvious. For example, if you see her bag lying somewhere, ask, "Is this your bag?" And when she says yes, just leave. Don't ask anything further. Repeat such interactions over time to create a growing emotional connection. Don't flirt or make things weird. If she's not comfortable, move on. The girl should show some interest, smile, say something, but don't expect too much too soon. Now, on to the next point to impress a girl: social media presence. Nowadays, the world is on social media. Don't message her anything private, just keep liking her posts gradually. If there's a post you really like, leave an emoji in the comment section. Over time, reply subtly to her messages. For example, send an emoji or a simple comment like "wow" or "very good." Post often on your own social media too. This makes sure she sees your posts, even if she doesn't like them. You can also use mutual connections. If you know someone she knows, use that to talk to her. For example, if she has a bag from the same coaching institute you went to, start a conversation about that. Association bias comes into play here, building mutual trust and credibility. Another important point is the graduate effect, where you reveal something personal to her to encourage her to share as well. For instance, you might share a personal experience, prompting her to share one of hers. This reciprocal behavior builds a deeper connection. Finally, ask for her advice on small matters, which will make her feel valued. Eventually, when she needs advice, she'll likely turn to you, creating a cycle of trust and connection. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.